Hey there everybody, my name is Bas Rutten and welcome to my gym Elite MMA in Westlake Village. Now 7 years ago I was shooting a fight scene for a TV show and I dropped upside down on top of my head, which resulted in my nerves getting crushed and loss of 90% of my power in the shoulders, triceps and biceps. Now thankfully for me, the triceps came back, but the shoulder is still about 50% and the biceps about 30%. Now I've been using power plate vibration to stimulate a greater percentage of muscle fibers, help remove the nerve blockage and build my strength and power. I do a pectoral and bicep stretch to prepare these muscles for exercise. The vibration of the power plate increases blood flow to the muscles, making them warmer and more mobile. Kneel beside the power plate and stretch one arm across the platform, elbow facing up. Lower your chest towards the floor to enhance the stretch. As it feels easier, push further into the stretch. This is a great preparation move for any exercise involving your pecs and biceps, such as push-ups, bench press, biceps curls, and of course, boxing. Switch sides and stretch your other side.